My name is Tony and this is my story. I live in an area which is classed as socially and economically deprived. It's a council estate and it's one of the largest council estates in Wales. Big organisations don't care at all about disabled people. Every project they do come into the area, we never consulted, and we always brought in as an afterthought. Our opinion does not count because everything has already been cut and dried before we brought in. I'll speak now in terms of housing, right? And people live in council houses. It'll take you something like 20 years to apply for a grant. I think local authorities would save a lot of money by consulting people like myself in the beginning, not at the end. Well, I think personally to create a level playing field and a sense of fairness, right, is to include disabled people in everything. Big organisations listen to us, disabled people, and people like me would be a lot better off.